So getting started, you're going to open the app Canva, or where it says you might want to try. You're going to scroll to the right and you're going to pick phone wallpaper. After you click phone wallpaper, you're going to scroll down and you're going to find a background that you would like. I wasn't paying attention. I didn't click a free one. That's okay because I didn't end up using the background anyway. I was just going to use the background just to have borders in between, but I decided not to do it that way. So just keep watching. And mainly I liked it because it said live your purpose. Next, you're going to click the purple plus sign button at the bottom left. You're going to go to elements. You're going to scroll down to see grids, then click see all. Now you're going to scroll down and choose the layout you want to your liking. It doesn't really matter. Now I'm just looking at the templates to choose which one that I want to fit for my wallpaper. I chose the one in the middle. Now you're going to resize the template to your liking, how you want it. You could do half and half. I wanted more photos, so I just made it smaller and added more pieces to it. I'm sorry, templates. Also, it doesn't have to be the same template as the first one because I didn't choose the first template as well. I want it to be different so it can be more eye-catching for me. Now I'm on Pinterest and I'm going to search and save the photos that I want for my vision board. I already have some photos already saved on here, so I'm just going to save those and just put it all in on one board. Save the photo. You're going to click the three dots at the top of the photo and download it to your phone. Place the picture on the template. You can resize it or hover it over which spot you would want it to go into, or just click it one by one and then just press replace right at the bottom beside the plus button and then add in your photo. Now I'm just going through my pins and saving them to my phone so that way I won't have to go back and forth. I can just save them all here from the vision board that I have, and so y'all can just watch that. Remember, I'm just clicking those three dots in the top right corner of the photo and just clicking download image. Now I'm finding some gym photos because I want to focus on my fitness this 2022. Definitely clean eating because health is wealth. Also, when you're looking for your photos, make sure that they are colorful and eye-catching, so that you're not just skipping by it. When it's on your lock screen, you're actually looking at it. Like, it's gonna grab your attention each time. And now I'm saying with some travel photos, vacation vibe photos, because we want to travel on vacation. All 2022, you hear me? As you can see, I'm definitely manifesting some luxury into my life, because that is what I desire, and I deserve that, and I'm going to get that. It's already mine. I'm claiming it. I'm claiming it. You want to have quotes on there as well, just to give a little context, a little couple reminders besides the pictures. Y'all already had like a love or soulmate manifestation board that I could choose photos from, just to bring more love into our relationship. And relationship this year, just focus on love, more love. And travel with your partner. I've been on top for a while. That's how cheap to the moon. Fast car make gon' room room. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in a butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lamb, sliding in the bin. Been working on my confidence. Can't forget about wealth. Can't forget about that. Focus on that things that we want in life. Remember, we manifesting love, luxury, health, wealth, success. Anything that you want on your vision board, you put it in there because it's your vision board. Nobody else will have the same vision board as you. And no one can see your vision except for you. Believe in yourself, baby. Believe in yourself. For meditation photos, because yes, we want all those material, physical things, but we have to focus on our spirituality as well, our soul. Yes, we need to be aligned and in tune there with ourselves and the divine. Also looked up yoga, because I really want to get more into yoga. I've started it, and it's just so relaxing. And y'all, I had to look around. I had to type in black women. It's just something about black women in yoga. I love it. It's so angelic, so soothing to the soul. 22, I'm definitely focused on retracing my roots, going back to that ancient African spirituality. Yes, ma'am. Now that I have all of my photos, I'm gonna go click the purple plus sign and go to camera roll, and all of our images are right there. So for the next clip, you're just gonna see me putting those images in the templates, filling in how I want to. And again, you can either hover it or over the pieces that you wanna the layout that you want to go in. You know, it's gonna highlight itself and you see how to do it, or you can just resize it yourself. So yeah, let's keep watching. If you stay to the end, you a real one. You a real one. Cause like this actually works. You a real one. I'm also going to speed this clip up a little bit more.
Back from something. If we're back from something, it's some checks you owe us. I expect that payment, nothing less or over. I don't need the favors that you asked me for. I could give two fucks about where the Grammys go. I just gave out Grammys on my Instagram. The more we young boys, the business, man. It is what it is. Trust me, you get what you give. Yeah. You gotta come to my side and see how we live. Yeah. I cannot see heaven being much better than this. Yeah. Blessings on blessings for me and my niggas from the six. Look at what we did. Be quiet, I'm doing a toast. For niggas that don't really do shit, I swear y'all be doing the most. Stop worrying about whoever's next. I am just worried about my mama worrying less. I think I'm famous enough, I don't need any more press. I am convinced I'm the only one left that's still doing this shit, man. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed.
As you can see, I wasn't sure where to put this one at. I decided to just put it where it says wherever you put your mind to, you can achieve. And then I just switched the other one out with the lady sitting on the dock or whatever, laying down. And I just changed it to says multi-millionaire mindset. So I'm just going back and adding another image that I wanted to add up there, a YouTube plaque. Don't know who Molly is, but thank you, sweetie. Now that I have my vision board to my liking, I'm going to add one flash finishing touch. I'm going to switch out this photo. So now where it says your purpose, I'm going to change that into something bigger and brighter to where I can see it. So it's going to say 2022 vision board. So I go to text at the bottom. I picked the first thing I saw, glow, because it caught my attention. Okay, so now I'm going to zoom it out to my liking, how I want it, in the place I want it in, and pick a bright color. I like the orange, but that green, it was so pretty, but I ended up deciding to go with yellow. I'm going to click the purple plus sign again and click the text, and you can see sparkle right there. I'm going to add like travel, wealth, health to the board again, just to make sure that it catches my attention every time I look at it.
As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's